Today we are making the most delicious fudgy paleo brownies I think I have ever made. These are going to be perfect for all your special occasions. Your family's going to love them, your friends, and of course you're going to love them as well. They're just so rich and decadent. Definitely a special treat, but made with better for you ingredients. I will also leave a link to my free healthy dessert ebook that you get. It has my top healthy desserts so that you can have dessert every day because they're healthy and delicious. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So to make these, we're starting off with coconut sugar, which is a great alternative to your normal white sugar, along with some cassava flour, which is a great grain-free alternative. It's probably the most similar to a white flour in terms of texture that is paleo. In a separate bowl, I'm combining some vanilla along with some egg. Now, I haven't tried this with a flax egg, but if you do and it works, let me know so that I can let others know as well. Then I'm going to be melting some dairy-free chocolate chips and some coconut oil over a double broiler, which basically means that you put a pot over some heat and then add boiling water, and then the bowl goes on top, and that way it melts it nice and smooth. Add the egg and the chocolate to our flour mixture and fold that until it's nice and combined. Then I'm adding in some cocoa for some extra chocolate flavor, as well as a pinch of salt. And the salt really helps to bring out that chocolate flavor. So don't skip that step because that's a really good secret in a lot of chocolate baking is adding that pinch of salt in order to bring out the chocolate. Then I'm putting that into my pan and then we're gonna bake it. I'm gonna leave the instructions down below. You wanna let them cool before you slice it. And once you do, you will have these decadent, fudgy, delicious brownies. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You need to make these brownies, so click save, subscribe, because you're gonna want the recipe for these. And if you make them, tag me on Instagram because I love seeing your creations, and it also reminds me about recipes I've created that are so good, so it reminds me to make them again. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.